Hello and welcome to another brief demonstration of new features coming up in the Mars release of the Eclipse Papyrus project. Today we'll look at using CSS style sheets to control the synchronization of views from the model. So in the last couple of demos we've looked at enabling automatic synchronization of the contents of various shapes in the diagrams from the semantic model. Today we'll look at doing that with style sheets. So looking at a very simple CSS style sheet, to convince ourselves that in fact it will be applied properly, we have some fill colors for a couple of the different kinds of elements that we visualize, and also something new, a canonical style for classes and enumerations in this example. So why don't we go ahead and drag that into the diagram to attach the style sheet. And now we see, according to the style sheet, our colors have showed up, but more importantly, we see also that all kinds of contents of these various shapes have come into place. And in fact, also, connections are now shown between the elements that now have the canonical edit policy enabled. As we saw before, now according to the style sheet, the synchronization is implicitly enabled on various of these shapes. So let's go save that and we'll see what is the impact on the model. Well, the canonical style is implicit in the CSS, so in fact we don't see anymore the canonical style being added to the shapes in our diagram. And in fact, in order to support the CSS style sheet approach, now compartments actually derive the canonical setting from the shape that contains them. So that simplifies, in fact, the overall impact of canonical edit policy on the diagram notation. We do see that the mutability of some views has been poked by canonical edit policy, but that's the only real impact there. So back to the canonical edges here, we can see also that if we go and explicitly make this package shape here canonical, in fact its edges then show up also. Like this element import here. Non-owned edges, of course, like associations, they're also a part of that picture. And in fact, because of the, I didn't even notice this just now, because of the style sheet that we have applied to the diagram, the class view that shows up nested in this package, which it shows by canonical edit policy, itself has synchronization enabled by the style sheet. So there you have it, using CSS style sheets to enable synchronization of diagram views. Thank you.